Today we're gonna make this delicious chicken in a sous vide. Come along and you're going to see how easy it is to make this delicious dish. We're gonna start with 2 pounds of chicken, paprika, Cajun spice, soy sauce, and a little bit of olive oil, 1 lemon. We're going to add the lemon to the chicken that is already washed. Then we're going to mix well and add the Old Bay. This one has lemon herbs. 1 tablespoon of garlic. 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun spice, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a little bit of olive oil. Now we mix until everything is well mixed. I almost forgot the rosemary. Now I'm gonna add some parsley, just a handful. We are going to mix a little bit, and now we're just going to put on plastic bags and take the air out. Ready for the sous vide. So I'm setting the temperature to 167. That's gonna be luscious and good.